A lot of the procedures that I do are based on either restoring function or the aesthetic that was lost from trauma or from reconstructive surgery, but also from an aging perspective. People always want to sort of look and feel their best and have their outside match their inside. We're able to give them some restoration that makes them look natural but comfortable and confident. I'm Lindsay Eisler, physician for the Department of ENT, and I specialize in facial plastics and reconstructive surgery. I love my patients. My career really allows me to have long-term clients, patients that I care for years and years. You really get to know them on a personal level, and it's fun and enjoyable to be able to see them and follow them as they evolve and grow and get older and change jobs or, have interesting, exciting things like grandbabies or children and things like that. It's also great to see patients on a short-term basis because you are able to give them a change and have them happy with the result. Being able to do something and change something for somebody and have them feel like they get a significant improvement and are happy, that's something that always continues to bring me joy.